Food storage container. Glass food storage containers for everything. Aside from the obvious fact that Joyful by JoyJolt glass meal prep containers are healthier for you and your food, you can also go from freezer to oven without breaking, with a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your purpose. What a joyful idea. 12 airtight food storage containers with lids. Includes 4 rectangle containers. 35 aughts, 8 by 6 in. 21 aughts, 6.75 into 5 in. 12 aughts, 2 4.2 into 5.5 in. 4 square containers, 26 in, 17.5.2 in. 11 aughts, 2 4.3 in. 4 round containers, 32 aughts, 6.21 aughts, 5.9, 13.5 aught, 2 5.2 in. Height ranges from 1.75 to 2.3 inches. All temp food containers, made from borosilicate glass, aka space shuttle glass. Your containers are robust and love extremes. They're dishwasher safe, oven safe to 1040 degF, and microwave safe containers, not the lids. Both lids and containers are fridge safe and freezer safe to -104 degree Fahrenheit. Airtight containers for fresher food. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips means you can use them for a food container without odors and air getting in or out. They're also leak-proof glass lunch containers, so go ahead and use them as soup containers in your lunch bag without fear.